right, dropping off the Golf R to this random shop that's local to me, and we have right in El Back, we have our respective downpipe, and this should be in there momentarily, and we'll pick it back up tomorrow. Goodbye, Golf R. We will meet again very soon. All right, we have made it back to Paul's Integrity Auto. As you guys can see, there's a Golf R right in front of me. Oh, got a little bug splatter. Stock downpipe. Oh my God, you guys. Oh, it's gonna be so loud. I'm not ready, but without further ado, let's toss this in there. Oh, boom, just like so. Oh man. Oh no. Oh no, what did I do? It's louder. Oh my God. It's not too bad. You know what? Not bad. That's valves closed. Little noisy, and then valves open. Slight difference. Oh man. What did I do? Well, anyway, let's wait for cold start to be over. And I do want to thank Paul for obviously getting me in. I'll talk to you guys about the installation a little more in depth possibly later, but for now I just want to get her home and at least kind of just see what exactly I did to my car because it's louder. It's a little too loud in my opinion. That's valves open again. Just put in comfort. Oh! Guys, we're cruising in comfort right now. I do the hair. It'll be what it'll be, but we're in comfort right now. It's not loud. It's actually kind of quiet. Well, I think I did something good. I think this was a good idea of mine. Yeah, we're cruising. Let's roll up the windows. Again, this is all initial impressions. Obviously, you guys know this type of car really does need. If you do put a downpipe in it, you gotta tune it to stage 2. You can't just run a downpipe with the with standard. It's really not that bad. I mean, it's loud. So with the valves closed, it's basically it's going through a muffler. Which is a start. However, it is still non-resonated, so there's that, and then there's also, of course, a high flow non-resonated downpipe, and I'm pretty sure it's a non-resonated downpipe. I almost guarantee it's that. But let's just check my oil temperatures. Yeah, we don't have any temperature, so can't have fun quite yet. But guys, initial impression: this is drivable. This is 100% drivable. I mean, yeah, it's louder. There's no hiding it. But we're in comfort, and you guys can hear me perfectly fine. This is kind of a little throttle. It's not bad. Now, if we go to race mode, again, we're not up to temperature, so I'm not going to wind it out. But we'll see 180, and we'll get a nice DSG crackle, and then we'll go to the tuning phase of the video. 3,500 RPM shift. Again, I want to keep it below 35 if I can. until I see some temperature. Oh, 142, 144. It's a warm day too. We're warm as far as the Northeast goes. We're just under 70 degrees, so. Another thing to notice too is the seats are folded down, so we're gonna get a little bit more noise. Something I might look into is possibly a little more sound deadening, because I want this thing to be all dialed in for me and perfect. But you know, this is valves open, so this is the peak. This is as loud as it's gonna be, which is nice. You know, at least it's not gonna be terribly a terrible nuisance. But it's effortlessly loud. Oh my god. Okay, we're almost at 160 oil temperature. Almost there. Baby steps. Well, so we'll do this little pull with the AC off. Again, this is not displaying the performance of stage 2. We are still stage 1. We're going to be stage 2 momentarily, but here we go. What did I make? We're up to temperature 2. Here we go. Oh my god. What? Crackle tune. First and foremost, throwing on the crackle tune. We need it. We need that on right now. And yeah, we're doing that. We're doing that right now. All right. I think this is probably like the first time I've ever flashed a car on a video. Perhaps I've done it before. I'm not too sure. But let's get this all situated. So, cord. This goes into like so. We'll plug this bad Larry in. Kerchow. And then, come with me. And then, importantly, into the car. Or into the whole computer. Words escape me. Alright, ignition on. As you guys can see, we're doing some writing. We're all connected up. We got a little bit of a situation. So this cord goes through the car, like so. Sounds like some things are, some magical things are happening. And this is my charger for the laptop. Super haggard, and that's how we're doing it. I don't know if you guys can tell with the camera, but I am shaking and I am absolutely terrified to see what this is all about. But as far as I'm concerned, as far as you guys are concerned, we are stage 2. And I'm like giddy, bro. But it's not like loud. I think it's still in cold start, or maybe it's not. I think it's warm. I'm not too sure.
It's sitting at a little under 1K at idle. Yeah. Probably warmed up.
It's not bad. It's like it's not bad.
No, it's not obnoxious.
The real thing is the crackles.
Yeah.
Let's see what these things are all about, huh? Give it a nice downshift.
It's probably gonna adjust a little.
Maybe. It's so perfect! Damn. Let's see if this thing's fast. It's fast. I'm trying to figure out what the hell it's trying to do. I feel like these crackles are whack.
It must just be right. I guess it's on all the downshifts.
We'll have to figure that out. And just like that, it's another day. We're in a very windy situation, but yeah, I found a really cool spot. I think I'm gonna film here more and come here on my lunch break and just film. But guys, the car is stage 2. It's so much fun. Needs an intercooler. Now, I wanna, stress this so very much that you really should not be doing stage 2 without putting an intercooler in the car. Fortunately, I do have my intercooler. We're pretty much going to be throwing that on in the next week or so. I just wanted to get the downpipe, really kind of the tricky, the more sophisticated install out of the way. And I actually, obviously, as you saw, I brought that to a local shop, Paul's Integrity Auto, and I try to include photos just so you guys can see what the process is like. It's not a very easy thing to do, but it's certainly something you can even do on jack stands. You just need the clearance. Now, given my situation, I have a jack that's out of commission, and working on my car right now myself is very difficult. However, doing the intercooler is something I'm perfectly able to do, and we should be doing that shortly. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be really, really sick. But yeah, so stage 2, it's plenty of fun. You know, I really wish I was able to kind of use all of the power, and that's the point of the intercooler, is to allow for those back-to-back pulls. I can really get one pull out of this thing before it starts, you know, overheating, but that's no concern. Again, we're gonna really focus on making this thing fun, super, you know, reliable and everything, and that's why we went IE. At the end of the day, we went with the best of the best. I'm really glad I did. And but yeah, so what I'll do is I'll end the video with a couple crackle. We'll take it on this little road in front of us. It's very short, but it's surrounded by trees, and trees mean echo, and echo means more sound and better for the ears. So I think without further ado, let's hop in the car and get some a final drive clip for you guys so you guys can hear it. All right, we'll put it in. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.